C-sections are not easy to go through. However, there are some things you can do after a C-section to help you with pain and improve function. Hi, I'm Dr. Jessica Babbage, board-certified physical therapist and medical advisor with FemHealth. Today, we are going to go over several tips to help return to exercise after a C-section. If you want to keep learning health information from experts, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. A C-section is a major operation, and it is important to respect the natural healing time, which is typically 6 to 8 weeks. However, engaging in foundational movements and intentional gentle exercise prior to 6 weeks can significantly aid in your recovery. Exercise is often translated to high-intensity fat-burning activity, but exercise includes any activity that improves your health and fitness. This can include walking, breathing, and other gentle activation exercises that wake up your core and improve blood flow and healing. People typically start to feel a lot better 2 to 3 weeks postpartum. Walking is a great activity that aids in healing and is safe to perform after a C-section. Start with short, easy walks and slowly progress over the 6 to 8 weeks. Everyone's birth experience is different, so it is important to listen to your body and progress slowly with activity that feels good for you. Gentle breathing exercises are also safe to perform in the early weeks after a C-section. Breathing is key for waking up your core and pelvic floor muscles and helps you rebuild a strong foundation. With everyday activity and exercise, it is important to avoid straining and breath holding. Think exhale on exertion or blow before you go during transitional movements to help turn on your core and protect your back. Immediately postpartum, it is important to be aware of body mechanics. Being intentional about how we move helps to engage our core and prevent overuse injuries. When lifting and carrying, keep the baby and objects close to you and use your legs to decrease strain. Lifting anything heavier than your baby immediately after a C-section is not recommended, but progressive strengthening is another key component to C-section recovery. Start with gentle pelvic floor, core, and hip stability exercises. Low impact, low load. Slowly adding load as you get stronger. Regardless of the type of birth you have, it is important to progress slowly and engage in appropriate exercise that helps set the foundation for more intense exercise. A C-section recovery, however, is unique, and that scar tissue must also be addressed in order to have optimal movement and decrease your risk for future aches and pains from that restricted mobility. If you are unsure how to perform a C-section massage, be sure you check out our video on how to do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you all found this helpful and interesting. If you want to keep learning health information from experts, be sure to subscribe and like below. The doctors at FemHealth are here for you and your family.